Hey fam, what's going on, y'all? It's your girl Raquel, and I'm back with another video. I got my second wig on Thursday. I'm excited. You know, I ordered two. If y'all saw my last video, okay, you may have not seen it, but I ordered two of these at the same time. One came in about 4 days, and the next one came about 4 days later. I don't know why I ordered them at the same time, but it came from Isee Hair. I really like the other curly wig. Go check out that video if you have not seen it. And my complaint was I paid stupid amount of money for my first wig unit, which this one wig cost more than the two that I got from Isee Hair. If y'all didn't see the review on this wig, I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. Now the hair quality is nice. It's good hair, but they just did really poor with the construction. I did contact them and they gonna tell me if you send it back, we can send you another one. Who finna pay shipping for something to go back to China? Not me. So anyway, I just went searching for another wig site and I came across Isee Hair. There we go. Trying to get it on so y'all can get a good view. I still got makeup on it because I didn't do nothing but put this thing back in the box. But as you can see, she got a bald spot right there. This is the one from my first wigs, and I just put it in the bag and threw it to the side, and it was a waste of money. I ain't thought no more about it. But anyway, we here, to talk about my new hair and try it on and see what it's gonna be like compared to that, bald spot unit that I got. Oh yeah, y'all, let me tell y'all about Pro Ankle, a better way to walk. They make quality, really good socks that don't, shrink up or go down in your shoe. And when they reached out to me, y'all, I am a sock fanatic. So I was like, well, sure. Send me them and I will share them. I'll put a pair on so you guys can check them out. But these are the first pair of women's socks. They come in sets. I believe this is a set, the women's set, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pair. Yeah, I'm a fan of good socks. I mean, look at the ankle part. And the name alone got me. Y'all know, if you've been on my channel long enough, the girl got bad ankles. So, yeah. And if these don't stay up and I don't spend the day digging down in my shoe trying to get them out, that's a plus. I just love cute socks. And they, got the little stretchy, around the ankle where they don't slide down in. I am definitely a fan. And they did send a 10% discount code, so I will put that down in the description and let y'all check it out. But yeah, I'm ready for tomorrow for work. Okay. All right, let's see what we got in here. This is another unit that's just like the one that I ordered from my first wig with the bald spot. That's what I'm gonna call them, bald spot 7 wigs. But this is what the inside packaging looked like if y'all didn't see the other video. And these wigs come with so many goodies. This bonnet that I got on, it says Princess in the back. I like it. Okay, this is the unit. And I showed y'all all the goodies we got last time, so really ain't no, well, in case y'all didn't see the video, I'll show you again real quick. It's a booklet in here that shows you how to take care of your hair. Yes, I'm really excited to get 2 more of these super thin, what do they call, HD wig caps, because I really like them. This is the one I wore last week. It's real nice, real nice. And then another eye patch. I gave the other one to my daughter. Some more of their lashes. They're humongous. Another bag to store your wig in, which I'm thinking, look, the box, the shopping bag. Yeah, I can store the wig in any of these, but I thank you. But this is what the silk-like bag look like. This isn't as soft and silky as the one that I got for my first wig, but it serves the purpose. It will store my wig and let me keep up with which one is which. And the last couple things, I got another comb, Isee headband, Isee Beauty headband. This one's from the other one. And then another, I'm gonna give this one to my daughter, another Isee cap. I really like these caps. And that's it. That's it. And like I said, even though I ordered both at the same time, the shipping was a little difficult, but the money that I paid for them makes up for that shipping for me. Now let's get to the most important part. I got a 10-inch, what does it say? 10-inch is the straight length, is Kinky straight. And I know it's a bob. They don't say it on here, but I know it's a bob because my first wig was supposed to give me this look, but that unit did not work. Ooh, y'all see this hair? And it's got the edges. That's my seat. Ooh, let me get this wig again. Hold on. Hold on. Now that made me go back to really show y'all. I got this wig because it's supposed to have, let me brush it back a little bit. Now just try to ignore the makeup that's on the front of it. Okay? So I'm gonna wash it and I guess try to figure out something to do with it, but maybe wear a headband with it or something. But I was upset, still am. But y'all see this? It's supposed to have the fake hairline. This here is exactly what I was looking for. And there is no bald spot. And the hairline is not super nappy. Look at that. This is what I was looking for. I don't know what happened over here with my first wig. But we're going to stop talking about my first wig, okay? You just gone over there, girl. Okay? But yes, this is what I was looking for. Can y'all see that hair texture? Let me take this off. Look at that. If that don't mimic nappy good hair, I love it. I absolutely love it. This is going to be my hair for work tomorrow. And y'all, the one thing I noticed about Isee hair, the way they construct their wigs, I forgot what I was going to say. That's bad. Oh yeah, the lace. Look at the lace. It's pre-cut. That's all the lace that you get on there. Let me put it on real fast with the little bit of lace on there before I trim it back and let y'all see what it looks like. Oh, I forgot to mention that it has the adjustable strap that I'll probably need to adjust just a little bit. There are no combs in the back. It's just an elastic band to secure it. And we just gonna see what it looked like before. Now this is exactly what I was looking for. This is exactly what I was going for. This is nice. This is really nice. I'm not going to comb it. I mean curl it. I'll probably, brush it. I don't know about this super kinky. I didn't know it was going to be like that, but I don't have a problem with that. Only thing I do have a problem with is the lace looks a little light. So I'm going to take it off and cut that lace off and put some of my powder. Let's see, which powder? I'm going to put some of my powder around the edge and, around the hairline to make it look more like my skin tone. And I'll be right back. It's so little lace to cut off that I love that idea. I'm gonna use some of my benefit powder and put it inside the cap. To me, it's the closest to my skin tone. So I'm just going to put that all over lace. Okay, now let's pop her back on. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Get a little more powder. Use some contour powder. Put a little of this mousse on the nappy edges. When I'm putting my wigs on in the morning, y'all, I don't have on makeup. So that does make this a little bit more challenging because I do have on makeup. But it's okay. It's okay. I really want to show y'all this. Especially for all my wig wearers out there. Because y'all, wasting your money on a bad wig is not the way to go. And it's really frustrating. It ain't much. It ain't like you can get in the car and take it back when it's coming all the way from China. Okay, I'm going to let this sit a little bit. I'm going to blow dry this hair and see if I can knock out a few of the kinks.
Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything.
Okay, guys, it's been a few minutes. Blow drying didn't do nothing. And I'm not mad because I like this texture. But I will, if I had time, I would curl it. But I don't really have time for all that right now. I like this. I don't really do baby hairs. So I'm just trying to make the naps just look not so nappy. And that's it. I'm putting some powder in the little spots to conceal. Yes. Just to conceal the knots. This is cute. This is really cute. This is nice. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot y'all was right there. I'm sorry. Let me turn and let y'all see the back. This is nice. This is really, really nice. I like this. I'll probably use some concealer because I still can see knots on the inside of the cap. But so far, I'm 2 for 2 with Isee hair. I am 2 for 2. I probably won't order another wig for about a month or so because I'm going to be busy with the ones that I got. And if I curl this would probably look even better. This would probably look even better. I wish I had a curling iron plugged up. I would curl it just so y'all can see, or at least try to curl it so y'all can see what it does. Hold on, let me get it. I plugged up my curlers and everything, and I thought about it. If I do it to one little piece, I'm going to have to do it to the whole wig. And y'all, I am wearing this girl tomorrow, just like she is, so I can't curl her. I'll come back and do another video, and I'll curl her, okay? And see what it looks like. Because y'all, I want to, but I can't. Because I don't want to curl the whole head, and I want to wear it tomorrow. Tell me you understand. You know I love y'all, right? Okay. All right. That's it, y'all. That's the end of this video. I hope everybody's having a wonderful, blessed Sunday, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed, y'all. Bye. Bye. Look at that hair. Look at that hair. That is too pretty.
But you ain't picking your phone up. Why you mess